Hi guys, Zilla back again with another review. This time it's the 55 watt multi-port USB charger with USB-C ports from Choetech. They actually sent me this out to review, so shout out to them for that. There's the model number TC42C. And obviously I've been testing this out already. And that's the back of the box there. Input 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 1.1 amps. Output DC 5 volts, 55 watts maximum. 4 smart ports, 5 volts at 2.4 amps maximum. And 2 USB-C ports at 5 volts, 3 amps maximum. Alright, so that's the actual box that it came in. As I said, I've been testing it out. So let's show you where I got it from. I purchased it from Amazon. So there you are. It's 2 USB Type-C ports plus 4 auto detect ports with a holder cradle. It just gives you some idea of what phone. You can pretty much use any phone on here. It's on sale price $18.99. Now I've got a promotional code of 70% off for the first 10 people who subscribe to my channel and leave me your email address down below. This is for the UK only at the moment. I will contact them, see if they'll do a US version where I can get the codes for you guys. But anyway, that gives you some idea of where to buy it from. Obviously with a 70% discount it goes down to £5.70, so it's not bad. So you can just pause that, read it for yourselves, whatever you like. But anyway, enough of that, let's show you the actual station charger itself. That's what it looks like there. As you can see, there's a bit of dust on it, I've been using it. Let me take that out for a sec, show you guys. It's a very soft touch material, a lot like the phone cases. There's your 4 USB-C ports, 4 USB ports, and your 2 USB-C ports there. There's a charging light there for when it's plugged in, that goes blue. There's the branding on the side. This stand's got a rubber base to it, and this comes in the box as well, so it clips onto the bottom to hold it if you wanted it up in that position, or you can lay it flat and use it like that without the stand. There's the back, simple, straightforward, nice thick charging cable that comes with it. Good, and it's got good length to it, quite a good length to be honest. You also get in the box, sorry guys, bear with me, a bit of a pickle going on here. Right, get rid of that. You also get this USB Type-C cable that comes with it, and again it's a nice thick cable. It's about 1 meter in length, I would say. So let's plug this in, give you guys a look at it in action. There's the blue light come on. So I'll plug this in here. This is quite handy if you've got like a Nexus 6 or anything with a USB-C, to be honest. I'll plug this in here quickly. Bear with me guys. And there you have it. It's charging. No issues at all. Now you can basically fill up all the ports and charge a lot of things at the same time. But obviously it's not going to be it's not a fast charger, this one. It's I'll show you. Let me plug in my HTC 10. Plug that in. Bear with me guys. It's Clear all the notifications. And there you are. It's charging that, but it's only charging, it's not fast charging. So this doesn't fast charge. Now, for the price, it's not bad at all. I use it personally on my desk at home, where my computer is and everything. It's just really convenient to have that. And the rubber foot on the bottom holds it in place. Look at that. It's moving the whole table. If you see that, it's moving the whole table. So is this a go or is it a no? I'm going to say it's a go. It's not fast charging. So if you're looking for that, this isn't for you. But to be honest, it's not good to fast charge your phones all the time. Because the battery starts to wear out. I recommend it. And remember, I've got the first 10 people in the UK. Hit that subscribe button. Leave me your contact details and I'll get back to you with the 70% discount code. Choetech have asked, if you do order it with the code, if you could leave a review on Amazon for the product, which fair enough, for £5.70 you can't go wrong. But anyway guys, that's it for now. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button down here. I've got also the Choetech Fast QC 3.0 charger for the car as well, which I'm going to be reviewing. I've got more cases coming up for the HTC 10 and the S7 Edge. I've also got a couple of apps I'm going to be reviewing. I've got some wireless in-ear earphones from Soundpeats I'm going to be reviewing. And I've also got a Bluetooth speaker, which I'm going to be reviewing. So there's quite a lot of stuff, guys. I'm getting inundated at the moment. And also, I've got the exclusive QC35 Bluetooth wireless noise cancelling headphones from Bose. It's not even out yet. I've been testing it for the last 2 weeks. They sent them out to me to test them. So check out that review. It's an exclusive. And, you find out what I think of them. But anyway, guys, take care. And I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.